Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Walmart Hyper Tough 5-shelf metal storage units. I've taken everything out of the box. I'm going to show you how to assemble it and kind of tell you what I think of it. These are on sale right now for $60. Okay, so when you unbox it, you're going to have a bunch of this stuff is all thrown away. These are the parts you're going to use to put it together. You've got 4 legs that have threaded inserts here. Then you got 4 legs that have these feet on them. Okay, so I've got the 4 with the feet on. These are what's going to go on the bottom, and they are adjustable. But we're going to screw these all the way in. Now you're going to get these. These have little arrows and say the word top. And they've got a little groove, little raised groove right here. That's going to go into these grooves right here. So you're going to put it on, and you got to kind of slide it. Make sure it snaps into that little groove. Find the other one, and it snaps into that groove also. And then the ears line up. So you're going to put 2 of these on all 4 of these legs, like this. This is where the shelf is going to sit. It's going to slide down onto there and sit right there. Okay, so you're going to slide this in. See how they're held in there for a little bit. You may have to hold it. Then you're going to slide the shelf in there. The shelves have a little notch which goes down, and the flat part goes on the top. Okay, so to get the spacing to work out right, you're going to have to, from the top of the shelf to the bottom of the black bracket is 16, or to the top of it is 17. So when you put the shelf on, you'll have the proper spacing. You can put these anywhere you would like, but if you want it to come out even, there'll be about 16 inches between each shelf. Put that right at the 16 mark. Okay, so we've got 2 shelves. It's starting to become really stable. Now you've got to get the ones and thread them on here. So you've got this big threading right here. Okay, so that thread, it's got threaded on both sides, so it'll be threaded into this side already. Then you're just going to thread it into this side and kind of snug it down till it's all the way tight. And do that on all 4 legs. Okay, so the shelving unit is put together. It's very sturdy. The last ones, you're just going to put them on that very top ridge, and then the shelf goes on. But you can adjust these any which way. You can put the shelving any location you would like. And so I did it to get the spacing. I've got to get it to look symmetrical. I've got 16 inches between the shelving spacing. All of them have got that. I'm just really happy with this Walmart. I'm glad it's on sale. It seems really nice. It took us 15 minutes to put together. Very simple. No tools were necessary. And I think it just looks and it's very sturdy. It also comes in black. So thanks everybody for watching.